Hello! Dimple's an Arabian journey wishes everybody a very happy new year and a prosperous, magical new year 2020. So, this new year, let us start with some sweetness. And even more better to start a day or a new year with a hot mug of chocolate milk. Before starting the recipe, I would like to request you to please subscribe to my channel and stay connected by hitting onto the bell icon. So let's get started. Please have a look onto the ingredient list. 150 grams of dark chocolate, any brands of dark chocolate, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. You have taken around 1 tablespoon of sugar. You can adjust it according to your sweet preferences, more or less. Fresh milk, around 2 cups. So this is full fat milk, which gives a good texture. And an empty mug. So here I'm adding around 2 cups of full fat milk, and I shall just boil it down, not actually boil it, but simmer it down, and then gradually we can add each and every ingredient. So we shall just heat it up for around 5 minutes first. So when you see the bubbles are forming up, you can then add the cocoa powder to it. Post you add in the cocoa powder, see that you remove all the lumps and there should be no lumps forming up. So just keep on mixing them very well. Now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of sugar. You can just accordingly use your sweet preferences, and then you can just mix them. Keep on mixing, and then later you can add in some chocolate pieces. This is dark chocolate. So I'm just adding and give it a quick mix. The flame is on a very low heat so that it doesn't burn the surface. You need to just scrape off the edges and keep on mixing them for next 2 minutes. Now there is a visible change in the texture. It starts thickening. Our chocolate milk is almost ready. Just switch off the flame. So our chocolate milk is almost ready. I will just strain them quickly, and then you can just add in some more of chocolate pieces to it to make it more delicious. Our New Year special hot chocolate is all ready. Look at it, vibrant and beautiful color. Just enjoy a perfect blend of recipe to start off with your new year and to make it more special. Do try this recipe for your friends and family, and don't forget to leave your valuable comments under the comment section below. And to make it look beautiful and add on some more texture to the hot chocolate, the thickness and the volume to the hot chocolate, don't forget to sprinkle some more chocolates on top of it. In fact, loads of chocolate on top of it, and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching Dimple's an Arabian journey. Hope you enjoyed today's video and have a blessed new year.